I have a question for you today. Will you be a zero suicide Jacks advocate? Hi, I'm Lady Terry B. Jones, the creator of the Bible Trivia with a Twist game events featuring the Church Grower board game, which I'm promoting positive mental health through food, fun, and fellowship. So I'm asking this question because I saw in the news today that in preparation for National Suicide Prevention Month, which is next month in September, Jacksonville is taking a look at the alarming statistics surrounding suicide to be proactive in making a positive impact. So when I saw this, I wanted to chime in since the Church Grower board game was created for this very reason, which is to promote positive mental health. So for sure, I am an advocate because I know that after the pandemic, that people were suffering silently, dealing with anxiety, depression, and suicidal thoughts. And this was also happening to people of faith. But God, wants you to know that these mental health struggles are a sign that you can tap into the support that comes through the Word of God, which is the Bible, right? So why not join me as a Zero Suicide Jacks advocate and host a Bible Trivia with a Twist game event, which will help encourage conversations about hope, love, joy, peace, and you'll be able to tap into your creativity, take your mind off of those things that are weighing you down so much. And so, when in turn, definitely it's going to help to replace those negative thoughts with the truth. That is the Word of God, right? The Word is powerful and sharper than any two-edged sword, and it can get right down to the bone and marrow of the matter that is plaguing you, okay? And so go ahead on and gather your family, your friends, your church group, your ministry, your faith-based organization, so that no one has to struggle alone, okay? Knowing that the Bible is a powerful tool for hope, healing, and encouragement that saves lives, okay? And so if you want to get information about being a zero suicide advocate, you can visit zerosuicidejacks.org, okay? And then you contact me at terrybjones.com for details of hosting a Bible Trivia with a Twist game event. In the meantime, guess what? I want you to give someone a hug, show someone a smile, and let someone know that Jesus loved them and you do too. You do too. Okay? And so go ahead on and become a Zero Suicide Jacks advocate.